So how can you install Wolfeye Remote Screen software on your first computer to monitor it? Step by step, this will be a short tutorial. I will show you exactly how you can monitor your first computer with Wolfeye Remote Screen. And basically, you come to our website, .co, here in English, and select, hit this 40 days free trial and schedule a demo session with me. In the demo session, I make a quick demo for you. We'll send you my dashboard so you see my live screen. But I will send you the download link for Wolfeye Remote Screen. Yeah. So how does it work? Very, very, very easy and very fast to install Wolfeye Remote Screen. The first step that you must do, and again, I will guide you through the installation process in this demo session. Yeah? The first thing is you have to select the folder, the installation folder of Wolfeye Remote Screen. Wolfeye Remote Screen, I will send you the download link of the setup file, and the setup file will install Wolfeye Remote Screen in the following folder. C, users, public documents. This is the installation folder of Wolfeye Remote Screen. So you copy this, you copy this path, because we now have to put this path into your antivirus exception. Why? Because Wolfeye Remote Screen is a surveillance software. How can I say, it's like a spy tool, so to speak. It will allow you to see, in stealth mode, to see the live computer screen of a remote computer. Yeah? And that's why it works like spy software, so to speak. And that's why you have to put only the folder in which it operates. It will stay in that folder. It will do nothing outside that folder. So you put that folder into your antivirus exception, and your antivirus software will continue to work normally, but will exclude that folder from scan. And that's what we will do now. So you go to the search field, type antivirus, virus and threat protection. You click virus and threat protection. Then you click virus and threat protection settings. I have to, this is in German, but I tell you the English name. And then you go down and go to exclusions. Exclusions. And then on your exclusions, you add the folder to exclude. This is very important. Add the folder to exclude, and here, right mouse and paste the folder that you just put into your antivirus exception, and that's how you put it into your antivirus exception. After you've done that, you download the software. After you download the software and go to the downloaded file here on downloads. So very easy. The first step is the folder C, users public documents, is the installation folder. You must put that first into your antivirus exception. And then in the next step, we download Wolfeye Remote Screen. This is the setup file that you will download. And you can download it anywhere in the download folder. You double click it, and the installation wizard pops up. The installation wizard pops up, and you just hit the install button, and it is already installed. And then you just you hit finish, and it runs Wolfeye Remote Screen. This is the control window of Wolfeye Remote Screen, and the only thing that you have to do to set it up is you have to click two buttons. The first button is the share screen button. You hit it, and the moment you hit it, it turns red. It means it's already sharing the screen. You already can see the live computer screen of this computer that you have installed Wolfeye. And the next button you must hit is this stealth mode button. The stealth mode button. You hit it, and the software goes into stealth mode, hides itself. Yeah, it hides itself, and will run whenever the Windows system is restarted. It will run in the background without and the user noticing anything. So that's how it works. And if you install it on several of your computers, you will receive here. You will receive your dashboard. Wolfeye Watch, the dashboard. If you install it on several computers, you will receive a dashboard where you see for each of the For each of the computers that you have installed, you will see the live computer screen of those computers. For example, this for computer with the name demo 2, this for name demo 3, and this with name demo 1. So this is how it works, and this is how easy it is to install Wolfeye Remote Screen. See you in the next video.